child. There I learned so many things that carried me through life. She told me about Jesus and how he died for me. She taught me many scriptures.
Kia ora and mabuhay! Isang mapagkalingang araw po at mapagkalingang pagsamba to all the mothers there in our local church in Christchurch. And I'd like to greet you all, to all of our dedicated moms, nanay, mothers, mommy. Happy Mother's Day, especially to all of our ministers, Sister Joanne Aribiana, and to my beautiful and loving wife, Pastor Mia. Happy Mother's Day. We love you so much. I know that you understand our situation right now, that I am here in the Philippines having our political ministry. Ayan, Kalinga, busy po tayo sa last day of campaign para sa ating Kalinga party list. At nawa, kayong lahat dyan ay nakaboto na. Kalinga. Happy Mother's Day, everyone!
Hi, Mommy. You are my ganda, gorgeous, and pretty, and the kindest mommy in the world. You always take care of us, and we thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. We love you so much. You're the best one ever.